Hello there! Today I'm simply going to show you how to make this. You can make a username. If you press enter, your username will be smaller and at the top, so you can just make a game. And if you type now, nothing will change. Okay, are you ready to get started? Well, here we go. So let's close that up and create a new gamemaker project. Okay, nope, hide it, and we want to create a new sprite. We're going to name that sprite user, maybe username. Okay, let's get it. Edit sprite. Okay, the width we're going to take about 400 and height is going to be like 100. So we're going to just make a little box by clicking this once, make so, and the opacity to like that. And let's make our little box. Okay, then the opacity and with the white we create another little box where user is going to put his username in, and we give it a little text, call it new user. Okay, make it black, maybe we also take name and we make it a little larger, like 16. Yeah, maybe we make it like 14. It'll fit better with the box. Okay, then we also have to put this little pointer here, like over here, so this is where your text or your new username is going to appear. Then press OK and create a new object, which we're going to name object username. At first, like most of the time, we create event, and we drag little code in there. We type global var. Global var actually means that the variable is accessible from any other script in your game. And we type in username check. This will basically check if the user already defined a username or not. And we type username check equals 0. Okay, you understand that? We say the username is 0 in the create event because the user didn't specify the username. So then we create a draw event and also put a little code in there, and now we can actually work. This will the only code, and this will do it. So let's type var username semicolon, and we press if username check, you know we defined that a little while ago, equals equals 0, and close brackets, open up curly brackets, and type in draw sprite. We type in SPR username, the sprite we defined here. Okay, and then we type the position of it. No, first the sub image, we say that's about 1, and then the position we are going to say room width divided by 2. That actually means that it comes in the middle of a room. And we say room height, divided by 2 also, and we close the brackets and semicolon. Then let's just copy that and draw another thing. Now we're going to draw text. Let's say it's also, now we have to first define the position, so we just paste that, and the string is going to be username, which we will define a little later. Like now we say username equals keyboard string. Let's actually want to say that the user could type something of his own here. So actually we're going to drag that up. That looks a little bit nicer. And put a space in here. Okay, we're going to another if statement. If within this if statement, say if keyboard check, say v key enter. This will, if the username typed his username, if the user typed his username, I'm sorry, and he presses enter, the username will save. We set semicolon, no, not semicolon, but curly brackets, 2 curly brackets. And in that curly brackets we say username equals 1. This will say that the user defined his username and that we cannot change it anymore. So then we just type else, 2 curly brackets, and then another else at the bottom, which we also gave 2 curly brackets. Just close that up, looks a bit nicer. And in those curly brackets we say draw text position of 0, 0. Well, let's just take 5, 5, and we type username plus username. Maybe we put a double point and space, and I can say we're ready, except for this. And now we are ready. Oh, we get an enter, we get an error here. Oh yeah, we have to put a bracket there. This actually means if the username check is is not 0, dus in this case it's 1, then we draw the text above like you saw a little bit a while ago, and it says username and then the username you typed, and that's all you have to do. Then just make a room and you can place the object wherever you want, and let's have a look. We get this little message. We type like power napkin 69, we say enter. Oh, I think we stumbled on an error. It doesn't do it. Let's have a look. The voice name checked. Okay, so username. Oh yeah, here it has to be username check. Okay, like that will do it. Let's take a look. And now we enter. Holy sh. And no variable username. We already defined it. What can go wrong? Global for? Should that be? I'm very sorry, I will cut that out. Yeah, that was it. Okay, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video.